The noise of silence. The noise of silence is the screams of thought and the yells of worries that echoes from the voiceless. Her silence aggravates the chaos in her eyes and the turmoil in her heart, and the tranquility she was known with is long bereaved. Her nose breathes out serenity, and her wishes of serendipity flies into the sky like a kite out of control. The treble in her voice quivers with fear, and again she is left muted, and the silence in her voice roars at the heart seeking for hope. The noise of our silent retreat in our minds and threatens to scare us to death in our nightmares.
For more educative content, subscribe to this channel and follow us on Facebook at Edupact. See you in our next video. Until then, stay safe.